Afternoon, just treating herself to a fish cake and chips. Lovely that was. So you remember this job? This is the job where we did the pointing and repointed it all the way around the house. We changed a few bricks and that's what we did. Well, we're back today because I told you the top half were getting rendered and we've been putting sills in yesterday and today, but I didn't have time to record it because we've had to take all cladding off and everything. I just wanted to crack on and get it done because renders are coming after weekend, so I'll give them 2 days to set and then they'll be able to render it. So there's one left and we're going to put it up on this garage, above this garage, and you'll see this one going in. So that's what we're going to do, and then we'll show you it, and hopefully I'll take a picture at end when renders are finished. So this is inside the garage. There's 2 left. And these are what we've been putting in. One of them's cracked, it wasn't me. It got delivered like that. And the one that we're putting in is the thinner one. So the big ones are 140 by 150, and this smaller one that we're putting in is 100mm by 140. So, and garage has already got a steel in, so we'll have a look at that in a minute. I need to see how far that goes through to the other side. Hopefully we won't need to prop it, because it looks as though it goes through a fair bit, but we'll get it measured first. It's got like a light on it, something, well, not a light but a sensor or something. Have a look at. Come on, get off. They've cut some of this wood off as well, aren't they?
Yep.
There we go. Oh. Right, so we've made an opening for it. So I've just been, this is a steel, where is it? There. So it's a big L steel that goes all the way up back. I've just got behind there. Can you see? I don't know. Anyway, it goes all the way back to about here. So we only want to be going 150. So that means if we cut out here, this lintle's still going to be on each end. So it means we don't need no props, which is good. So what we're going to do now is we'll cut these out and then we'll try it in. Put some cuts in there. I've just hidden that electric gizmo up there until I'm an electrician, look. So we'll just slid it away for now, that way. And we take these out. On they come. Trouble is which side's it breaking it. It's coming out, it's coming out. Trying to not drop it on the paving. Come on, you bugger. So we've measured this. It's quite a big gap.
Yeah.
But it's got a light renders marked a line on where it's going to render to. And it's only to there, so if we drop the lintel on here, we'll just put a big bed on top of there. Because it's not to hold this brickwork up, it's got steel in, so we should be good. And then we'll just put a big gobble bed there just to fill it in, and that'll get rendered over then. And we'll stick a lintel at 20mm so it so render goes up to it, and then it should look good. Don't want to pull out this one, does it?
No. Mark, you're knocking that back brick out, mate.
Coming out now. This one.
Yeah.
What's under that? Oh, it's no. Keep doing it.
You know.
I'll just point that back in, mate. It's only one course thick, this garage. That's why we don't need any damp proof out above it. Apart from pillars too, obviously, but it only goes to that brick and that's it. That's as high as it goes. What we're going to do is that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should have a nice gap at the top, so lift it up and put it on it like that, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Right. 20 mil. You're about 20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Come on, mate. Right, you got it?
Yeah, I've got it.
Wedge it. Wedge it to me. So we've just got it in and wedged while we cement it all in and everything. We're struggling with level. We've got, look at the size of the bed on this end, and then we've just got a normal bed at that end. What we got there, what would you say that was? 30 mil? 20 mil? I don't know, let's have a measure. 20, and it still could do a going higher at this end, but I don't really want to make it any higher. I think it'll be fine like that. Once door and everything's on, I think if we make it higher it'll just look a right mess. So if you do it front bottom, if you're looking front bottom, I can't see what's on, but if you're looking front bottom, what I can see anyway, it looks fine. So we're going to go with that and we'll fill that in. Take some filling. Oh my god, it just went straight back that. Oh
nice.
God.
Yeah, nice.
We're going to have to go right back and point it as well then.
Yeah.
Try get earth in this front and then we'll have to go the inside and do some. It will fill well. It's a lovely day.
Yep.
What is it today?
Yeah.
17, 18 or something, didn't you?
Something like
Oh, we're going to have to wipe that down as well.
Yeah.
We'll get it a wipe down when we've gone just to stop the stains. But remember, this is getting rendered up to that flat, so you're not going to see this big joint on top. We'll squeeze rest of the cement in front there, from the inside of the garage. Well, that's it. Shame I didn't have time to do alt job, record alt job, but we're getting some big jobs later on and I should be able to do a fair bit of recording on them. So yeah, that's it. She's going to send me a picture when renders have been after weekend, when it's all done. So hopefully you'll see that in a minute. So that's a picture of the plastic cladding that we took off, and it will have a new door on as well eventually. And this is it with the rendering done. So they made a really nice job of this render, and the sills look really nice on here. Now it really stands out. Made a lot of a change from the old house. But yeah, so if you want to see the pointing video, I'll put a link to it, and you can go have a look at that. Right guys, see you later. See you in the next one.